It doesn't help anybody if I'm going to take care of everybody else but neglect myself, because you are the only patient that's going to be there for your whole life.
Probably 70% of people that walk into my office don't want to be there. The goal is to have them leave happy and excited to come back. If we can have fun every time they come in, I can ensure they have a healthy, happy meal. In deciding to be fun, and I feel like that's contagious, and I want to spread it everywhere.
First of all, I'm not always happy and smiling. It's not helpful to dwell on the negative. One foot in front of the other, breathe in, breathe out. I can control all of those things. Giving myself something to control in that way helps me to process better the things that I can't control.
I don't know if I even really like running. I think I might just like runners. You have to run long enough to hate running, to love running. Side note, people who wear headphones drive me crazy.